Hello student, good morning to one and all. I am Dr. Tariq, Department of Biotechnology, Islamic College, Wanibadi. The allied subject, Biomolecules, the first BSc Biotechnology students. To keep watch in this subject, very important one. Already I discussed the topic is enzymes in this continuous aspect of this unit. Vitamins nomenclature, classifications, mechanisms, etc. So that the vitamins classification today we'll discuss. Vitamin. What is mean by vitamins? It's a early 20th century from Latin word. Vita, that means life. In the name of English, amine word, because vitamins were originally thought to contain an amino acid. The vitamins are the nutrients our bodies need in order to maintain the functions such as immunity as well as metabolisms. Suppose you have not vitamins, immunity power, the lacking of vitamins, that means deficiency of vitamin. Any of the group of organic compounds which are essential for normal growth and in nutrition and are required is small quantities, that likes diet, because they cannot be synthesized by the body, so that the vitamin is very essential. The Latin word is vita means life, so life is using the containing the amino acids, so that vitamin is most essential in our life, so that the organic compounds most essential in our growth. Now coming to the topic, classification of vitamins. You know very well they are classified into the two types. One is water soluble vitamins, so another one is fat soluble vitamins. Whatever you eat, the food material like samosa or deep fried items and green leaves, that means vegetables, fruits, etc. So many things it's contain the vitamins, so that they classified into the two types. One is the water soluble, another one is fat soluble compounds. So first of all, we discussed the water soluble vitamins. It's classified in the vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B3, vitamin B5, vitamin B6, vitamin B7. Nowadays it's called as vitamin H. The vitamin B9, B12 and vitamin C also. These are all the vitamins widely in soluble in the water. It cannot be stored and is readily extracted from the body. It cannot be stored in our body. It is easily extracted from the body. At the same time, the fat soluble, that means vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, as well as vitamin K, it can be stored in fat cells when excess is present. I again tell you, fat soluble vitamins A, D, E, K, it can be stored in fat cell when excess of vitamins is present and easily absorbed through the intestinal tract. The vitamin classifications, same conditions, water soluble vitamins in these kinds of structure. Another one is fat soluble vitamins, it's include like this one. So vitamin C is also a water soluble, it's called as citric acid. Vitamin B is a thiamine. Vitamin B2 is a riboflavin. Vitamin B3 niacin. Vitamin B5 pantothenic acid. B9 is a folic acid, it's iron content. So many pregnancy women will start the pregnancy stages. It will be given the hospital, doctors prescribed in the baby formation folic acid like vitamin B9 and vitamin C. B6 it is a pyridoxine. B12 is a cobalamin, and choline is one of the vitamins classified, and biotin is one of the classification of water soluble vitamins. And it's the another classified into second one, that means so fat for soluble vitamin. It's include vitamin A is a retinol. It's directly come to the sunlight in the early morning. So you have to uh, receive only for sunlight in the early morning retinol, and your skin will be glowing. That means skin also received in the vitamin A, so that you have not uh, sunlight, it will be vitamin A deficiency will come down in your body. Vitamin D is one of the fat solubles. They have two types, one D2 vitamin and D3. That means ergo calciferol. D3 is a cholecalciferol. Cholecalciferol. And vitamin E is a tocopherol, that is called as 3. It is divided into 3: alpha, beta, and gamma vitamins. And another one is vitamin K. It is the K1 and the K2 and K3 also is there. So K1 is a phyloquinone, K2 is a minoquinone, and the K3 is a minodione. So three types of vitamin K is present. So that I clearly what is present in the where it is present in the water soluble vitamins as well as the fat soluble vitamins, what the actual compounds amino acids present in this vitamin explanation. So another is going to the, it's classified, there are mainly two types of vitamins classified based on their solubility These are water soluble and it is not fat soluble vitamins. So water soluble vitamins it's include the contain carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, and it may contain sulfur as and CO, carbon monoxide. They are not stored in body. This is the water soluble vitamins. They are not stored in our body. They are secreted into urine. They are not cause toxicity. They cannot synthesized by body. They are not dietary essential. So this is the water soluble vitamins. Vitamin C is also called as citric acid. I told in previous slide. The function it is used as anti-stress. It will be calm down. So the functions of this citric acid is used anti-stress. So you have to stress, it will be stopped in the vitamin C. What is the deficiency of this vitamin C? No known deficiency in animals. They can synthesize by digestive microbes. So we don't know the deficiency of the animal in the vitamin C. They can synthesize by digestive of microbes. So microbes will be digestive in the vitamin C. Vitamin B1, that means thiamine, its a function is they work as coenzyme. It helps in metabolism of carbohydrates, protein and fats. Deficiency of the vitamin B1, its deficiency cause beriberi disease. It also causes polyurethritis, polyneuritis, and star grazing in poultry. Poultry means it is a chicken like that. And vitamin B2, riboflavin, its function involved in metabolism of carbohydrates, protein as well as fats. What is the deficiency of B2? That means riboflavin. It is caused by dermatitis. That means it is a skin disorder. So in poultry, chicken, it causes curled toe paralysis. So some of the paralysis will present in the chicken. So it will be come down the deficiency of the riboflavin. So it will be present in the dermatitis skin disease. And vitamin B3, it is a niacin. It is also called as nicotinamide. The functions of the B3 niacin, it is involved in metabolism. Its deficiency of the niacin B3 is caused by polygra, that means disorder of digestive system. And vitamin B is a pantothenic acid B5. The functions of the B5, it is involved in metabolism. In deficiency of this disease B5, its deficiency cause dermatitis. It is also this skin disorder. Vitamin B9, folic acid, the functions of the folic acid, it is improved. It is involved in the synthesis of methyl group. Deficiency of the vitamin B9, that means folic acid, is caused by anemia. So anemic disease will come down in the vitamin B9 deficiency. It's continued to the another one, vitamin B6. Pyridoxine is the functions of metabolisms. It is involved in a metabolism, and deficiency of the B6 pyridoxine is caused by epilepsy and convulsion, that means jerks into epilepsy. It means it is the bowel syndrome, like that. Some of the problem will be body will be controlled. Vitamin B12, it is cobalamin. B12, it is involved in the metabolism also. Deficiency of the B12, it is caused by slow growth and less reproduction. So cobalamin will disorder in the person. It's caused by slow growth and less reproduction. So that the problem is going to the vitamin B12. And choline, it is one of the functions of the involved lipid metabolism. It is part of the lecithin, and function the deficiency of the choline is caused by fatty liver diseases. Who come in this particular fatty liver disease? The liver is not function, malfunctions, it will become down the fatty liver. At the same time, suppose it is stress, it will become down the fatty liver. At the same time, commonly who gave the who have the fatty liver, it's generally alcoholic and drug addict person, particularly in alcoholic compounds, it will be come down the fatty liver disease. The ones in that the liver will be damaged or fatty liver, obesity person, it automatically the formation of fatty liver. Okay, and the biotin, it's the functions of the biotin, it's involved in the metabolism. The deficiency biotin, it's a dermatitis, it is also the skin disorder. So that I conclude the vitamin water soluble vitamins are so many deficiency as well as the functions in clearly I explained. At the same time, fat soluble vitamins, it's include, they contain carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. At the same time, they are stored in the body, they are secreted into feces, they cause toxicity also, they are not synthesized by body, but sometimes it's synthesized. They are dietary essential. At the same time, general source for fat soluble vitamin, it's or green pasture, green fodder, green leafy, and fish liver oil, and yellow corn grains, most of as sunlight. So this is called as fat soluble vitamins. At the same time, it's come to the topic is vitamin A. It's going to the caused by retinol. It's only for eye problem disorders. In the partially eye vision will be displayed, sometimes it's not, it's hide in this vision. It is requirement is expressed in IU. So interior unit will be disturbed. The functions of the helps it's maintaining the eyesight. It increases concepts of rate. Deficiency of the vitamin A caused by night blindness. It is deficiency also caused poor consumption. Poor consumption. And vitamin D is formed as two forms. Number one, D2 and D3. Ergo calciferol, and its function is it's mostly present in plants, and vitamin D3 is a cholecalciferol. It is synthesized by animal body in sunlight. It's the functions of the vitamin D. It helps bone development. It is also help into the maintain the mineral balance in the body, so that you have to improve in the sunlight, and vitamin D automatically would become the plant and animal body. Okay, so deficiency of the vitamin D is caused by osteomalcia. It's a rickets disease. So vitamin E is called as tocopherol. That means it's present in three forms of alpha, beta, and gamma. So its functions by immune system, helps the immune system. It is also help in reproduction. Deficiency of the vitamin E is caused by white muscle disease. That means muscle dystrophy, weakness, muscle weakness. It will become down the hernia disease, like muscles will lose the muscles. It will be some of the disease, hernia, like that. So automatically the intestinal hernia is commonly in the people, so that the deficiency of vitamin E. And the vitamin K is the forms of three times. One of the K1 is a phyloquinone K1. K2 is a minoquinone. It is naturally present. And the minodione is a K3. It's artificially synthesized. The functions of the vitamin K: blood clotting, help the blood clotting, so that the deficiency of the vitamin K, it is caused by hemophilia and sweet clover disease. So this is, I conclude, in this vitamin all kinds of one of the examples I said to vitamin A. All kinds of another vitamins will detailedly I explain in mechanisms and functions, so on. So I only classified in the vitamins and the examples of vitamin A. Any of several fat soluble vitamins, that means retinol, found in especially in animal products like egg yolk, milk, fish liver oil, etc. Some of the mixtures of these hosts lack in the animal body. It causes epithelial tissues to become carotinious, as in the eye, with resulting visual defects, night blindness, like that. A group of unsaturated nutritional organic compounds, retinol. The structure of the retinol, chemical structure: retinolic acid. The benzene ring will continue the OHCH3 also, so that the structure of the retinolic acid. So where it is present in the vitamin A animal sources as well as the plant sources. The vitamin A animal sources given in the milk, meat, fish, liver as well as the egg, so that the comes down the vitamin A sources. And plant sources also available. Green leaf vegetables like some of the green leaves, um, and yellow fruits like lemon, something like that, and a red palm oil. It is one of the oil. It will be come down the foreign countries, so that we have easily available in just 5 to 10 rupees. Green leafy vegetables are present, so we have to develop in the vitamins A deficiency. You can improve the these kinds of sources available in the vitamin A compound, and as well as the sunlight. Most of the students, we cannot awake in the early morning, so that the vitamin A problem, vitamin A deficiency, it will be come down the easily in your body, so that you have to rectify in the vitamin sources, vitamin A sources. These are the rich source in the compounds. Okay, student, thank you. Thanks for watching.